Alright, we have an average question here in problem sums. Let's discuss. Kim bought a certain number of books at an average cost of $45. If she buys another book which costs $75, the average price will become $48. It will increase from 45, go up to 48. And before we proceed to the next statement or to the question itself, take note that this is an if statement. It didn't really happen. But if it did happen, if she bought a book that cost $75, the average will become $48. So the question goes, find the number of books that she had bought. Now to explain this question, I'm going to draw a model, one box for each of the book that she bought. Since we do not know how many books she bought, we are just going to draw 3 boxes and then dot 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 like this to denote that the number of books is really an unknown. Okay, but the good thing is we will know that the average costing of each book was at $45. Okay, and then there is also a final book that if, for example, this person bought, it will change the average, it will increase the average. And this particular book is costing $75. Alright, now let's say this person buys this book. What will happen is that the average price of all the books will become $48. Even the final book that we have here will have an average cost of $48, and there will be a balanced amount of money here for the final book that will be used to increase the average of the initial number of books. So what is that balance amount that we have? 75 minus 48. 75 minus 48, we will have $27. So these $27 again will be distributed to each and every of the books that she bought, so that the average is not 45, it goes up to 48 instead. Alright, so what is the average difference in each book? $48 minus 45, we will get $3. So I need to increase the average costings by $3 for each of the books. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, right? And I have a spare $27 to work with. So how many books can I give this $27 to? So that I increase by 3, by 3, by 3. Alright, so the last step is just a simple division. So 27 divided by $3. And we will be able to increase the average of 9 books. So the answer for this question will be 9 books that she actually bought. Alright, now let us check our work. Let's say she bought 9 books. The total will be 9 times the original average, $45. 9 multiplied by 45, that is 405. Okay, and since there is this extra book that she wants to buy, right, which costs $75, the new total has to be 405 plus 75. $480. Now let's calculate based on the new average price, right? Is it really $480 for the total cost of the not 9 but 10 books? Why 10? Because if I were to buy one more, the total will be 10. So 10 times 48, indeed it's $480. So this tells us that initially she originally bought 9 books, which is our answer for this particular question.